Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add the fingerprint onto your Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! First, you want to head into settings. Then you want to scroll down and head into passwords and security. Now we want to go into fingerprint unlock. Though you will notice that before we actually set up the fingerprint unlock, we first need to have a normal screen lock, just in case. So let's quickly set it up. I will go with a very simple pattern shape, and we have a little reminder that, well, please do not forget your password, because otherwise you will have to erase all your data to get access to your phone, basically speaking. So we have our pattern. I will go with a very simple L shape. And now we can pick up our phone and add the fingerprint. As you can see, we can basically keep it in our hand like this and our finger like this. And now you want to simply just scan your fingerprint. I like to think that it's actually spamming the button for adding fingerprint, which is pretty funny, because you are indeed spamming your fingerprint onto this device. Let's keep doing that. I will now get those edges, because edges are pretty important and you barely scan them. And as you can see, our fingerprint was added successfully. Now we can put down our phone and we can name the fingerprint. So I will name it HardReset. Epic finger. I almost know how to type though. So we have now epic finger, and as you can see we have our epic finger. We can click on that to basically remove it or change its name. And yeah, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.